guys, and welcome back to this live. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. Happy 2025. Hopefully you guys had some amazing holidays with all your family, and I wanted to come back and create new content for all you. Thank you for the ones that have watched all my YouTube videos. I love making these videos. I kind of stopped for a while, but I'm gonna try to be more constant. But anyways, let's head on and let's go hiking. So this will be our first hiking of 2025. I don't know if it'll be the last, but for sure it'll be the first. So just keep on watching. Say hi, Brian. So we're doing a pit stop at the restroom before we head out. Oh, I need to learn how to focus. Recenter. There we go. Pinnacles National Park. They have like a little center. But yeah, so we'll still drive up there. For now, just gonna use the restroom. Oh, it is up there. Cereal store. Oh, look, they have the little bucket hats. Oh, look, for like to hold your water. They're little souvenirs. Let's go. Look, this is cute. Rangerland. Like a little game.
Yeah, it's a little game.
Look, what are those, the binoculars?
Oh, yeah.
Let's take a look at the... Oh, look, the butterflies. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now off to the trails. We're here. You ready for the walk? Let me show you guys the back. My little helper with my big old tripod. It's so beautiful, thank you. There's a beast. Oh no.
Remember when I was in the water? And it was so wet and cold.
Oh, I could hear the bees. But anyways, let's keep on walking. Walking up these little stairs. Oh.
Right used to go up there and let us go, I don't know what.
We're going down that trail. And there he goes. Careful. Okay. I'm a little tired now. Can you hear that? That's called peace. Let's keep on walking. Let's go. Ooh. It is quiet and peaceful. I really needed this. For those of you who don't like hiking, give it a try. It's amazing and peaceful and calming. You get to... No, it was over there. Yeah, you keep walking. Watch you get lost. Oh well. And then we don't have no service. Okay, let me keep walking. Si no, yo aquí me voy a caer. Vente. No, it's this way. Hopefully the caves are open. Up there is where we went last. Okay, so this is the scary part.
Oh, this one.
Oh!
I can go to the wall.
No, go through here.
It's not that scary.
It's very thin.
Something pops up.
So scary. But it's so beautiful. Okay, let me put you guys away because I need to cross this. So scary. Okay, I made it. Yay! Oh! Not all the way up there. We made it. Oh yeah, don't go too far. Oh, I know. Bájate. Que luego que le llevo a tu mamá. Oh, you made it. Now let's go into the caves. Okay. So my little nephew's scared, but I'm scared. I don't even know I'm gonna fit here. Nothing happens. No, it's not that dark.
What do you mean?
Just keep going. It's okay. No. I'm literally holding on because I'm walking sideways. Hold up, hold up. I'll pull it out right now. There's people. No, there's people coming. Oh, it is dark. No, go. Nothing's wrong. Keep going. Oh, it's so dark. Okay. So we're not going down the cave because it is steep and we're by ourselves. What if something happened? So hasta aquí llegamos. Vente. So we made it to here only. That'd be scary. Mm-hmm.
Oh no, this is the
Yeah,
part.
we had to chicken out. Oh, I did. Oh, there is. Maybe to not go down there. Yes, I chickened out. But we're gonna go to another trail. Oh. This is so hard.
It's not that hard.
Oh, look, somebody could sit there. Ah!
Look, I'm Spider-Man.
Where you at? Compass. And there he is. Oh, it's because it's following me. I was like, why is it not recording him? But we're gonna try to go to another one that we go all the way up to the mountain. It's because it was too steep. We don't have a head flashlight, and that's what I couldn't find. And okay, route. So let's go. Okay, guys, so we went up the trail. This is how far as we got. You can see the mountain there. But we want nachos. ¿Verdad?
Yeah.
He's not saying he didn't give up, but he did give up because he said he didn't give up. His legs are giving up. My legs gave up a while back, but last time we came a little more up there because I came with my cousins, and they kind of pushed me to it. But since my little nephew agrees with me, when I get tired, he usually gets tired too. But it's okay. It was nice coming for a nice walk. Ahora, te me caigas. So now we're just walking downhill, which is way better than walking uphill. Just enjoy us walking back down. You ready for ice cream? I'm so tired. We made it. Ah, tired. Slipping off. Finally. The sun is hot. Ah, the sun is so bright. But anyways, we're gonna head out to get some ice cream and some nachos because we're hungry, thirsty, and tired. But I'll see you guys at the ice cream shop. Did I say ice cream? I meant ice cream. But I'll see you guys there. We ended up coming to McDonald's because we are starving. We were gonna get ice cream, but we'll get a McFlurry here. We'll get a McFlurry here. So we'll show you guys what we get right now. So we got Big Macs, large fries, McFlurry, and there he is. And of course we sat on this table. Oh, it turned off.
No, you have to click it.
Oh. Well, we turn on light, but okay, it was time to eat.